Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread Vada Pav. This easy method simplifies the classic street food, bringing its delicious flavors right into your kitchen. We will skip the deep-fried potato fritter and instead use readily available bread slices, making the process much quicker. You will learn to create a flavorful potato filling, assemble the Vada Pav with ease, and then shallow fry it to a perfect golden crisp. Get ready for a delightful and quick snack. Let's begin by preparing the heart of our bread Vada Pav, the potato filling. First, boil 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes until they are tender, then mash them smoothly. In a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, and 1 or 2 chopped green chilies. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of asafoetida. Mix this aromatic tempering with the mashed potatoes and season with salt. Now let's assemble our bread Vada Pav. Take 8 to 10 slices of white bread and carefully trim off all the crusts. Using a rolling pin, gently flatten each bread slice. This makes it more pliable. Place a small golf ball-sized portion of the prepared potato filling in the center of each flattened bread slice. Fold the bread over the filling, creating a semicircle or square shape, and firmly seal all the edges to prevent the filling from escaping. For the final step, we will shallow fry our bread Vada Pav. Prepare a smooth batter by mixing 1 cup of graham flour with water, a pinch of salt, and a tiny bit of turmeric powder. Dip each assembled bread Vada Pav completely into this batter, ensuring it is fully coated. Heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and shallow fry them until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy on both sides. Serve your hot and delicious bread Vada Pav immediately with green chutney and dry garlic chutney for an authentic taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.